Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to apply for the Promotes Transparency badge from the Employer Dashboard. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. After logging in, go to the left panel and click on Download Badges under Promote Your Brand. On this page, choose any of the available badges and add or embed it on your company website or career page. Then link it to your AmbitionBox profile. Once done, paste the page link in the box on the right under Want to earn the Promotes Transparency badge? And click on Submit. Our team will review it and update your profile within 3 business days. To give you a better idea, here's how this badge will appear on your AmbitionBox company page. And finally, here are a couple of examples of how our clients are already showcasing these badges on their websites. It's important to make sure the badge is embedded or linked to your AmbitionBox company page. You can find the embed link right below each badge. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.